Hello guys, my name is Mike from Great Oceania. In this video, we are going to discuss how to plan your loan and your purchase. Now, there are mainly three steps. Number one, based on my circumstances, how much I can borrow from the bank. Number two, okay, buying a property, we need to do a cash flow forecast, understanding that, okay, how much the bank will lend to me and then how much I need to pay for the extra cost. And the last part is what are the options or best deal in the market and which one should I go to? Now we are going through that step by step. Step number one is, okay, based on my circumstances, how much I can borrow from the bank. Now, some broker may explain to you that, okay, you just use your income, annual income, and multiple by 2 or 3 or 7 or 10 so that you can indicatively get your loan amount. The answer is not that accurate because everyone is different. Every family spending is different. Different bank, they use different calculation and benchmark. So this part of how much you can borrow from the bank will need to leave to your professional broker or banker to calculate. For example, some major bank, they are stricter. Some smaller bank, they are more relaxed on the servicing calculation. That will lead to very different result. Some bank, they are stricter than rental income. Some bank will be a bit more relaxed and less shading on rental income. Now, step number two is what we call cash flow forecast. Okay, bear in mind that how much you can borrow from the bank, and then you need to calculate how much you need to prepare for all the other costs. For example, the stamp duty and the government registration or the lawyer or conveyancing fee that will charge you. We'll do a video for that explanation for that knowledge. And then, for example, actually buying a property is the same as buying a computer. So you need to calculate a forecast and understand how much extra you need to prepare on top of what the bank is lending you. And the last point is what we call the best options in the market. Australia is an open and competitive market. Sometimes the major bank, they are having some deals, some cashback promotion, particularly for first-time buyer. Some smaller bank or second-tier bank will have different, maybe lower interest rate to attract their customers. So a good broker will be able to find the best deal for you. So step number one, understanding how much the bank will lend to you. Step number two, do the cash flow forecast by yourself. And lastly, choose the best suitable option or product for your loan. And that will be all in the planning of your buying the property.